The glass cutting skills of this worker is on par with any modern machinery. Would you like to try a cheese-made scarf? This renovation process is so flawless that there's nothing to complain about. One of the best roofing methods available is using liquid asphalt. No matter how hard you try, you can't draw a long line more perfect than he does. If it takes around 4,000 hours to master this job, this craftsman only needs half that time. Under the skillful hands, even intricate patterns are effortlessly crafted. Wow! See harvesting fire for the winter? Not inferior to any dance performance, this teamwork process keeps me captivated. Dry ice making this gas tank look brand new after a quick blast off. Slab stock foam is produced in various colors. The test simulates the force generated by natural waves to test materials used in dike construction. Removing snow and ice from trailer roofs enhances traffic safety. There is no need to manually connect the lines as this parallel device can quickly connect them. Don't mistake this white stuff for snow. It's actually salt from the Great Salt Lake being harvested. Check in here if you're a fan of Son Goku. The mass production process of patches using the Happy Embroidery machine.
by experienced and talented professionals. Precision and uniformity in each cut not only creates beautiful slices of bread, but also helps ensure consistency in the size and shape of each piece. This makes presenting and enjoying the bread easier and more appealing. Thanks to advanced technology, this machine is capable of classifying and dividing bread quickly and evenly, thereby creating a higher quality and more attractive final product. Each slice of bread is a work of art. You can immediately feel the meticulousness and diligence of the production process. Uniformity in size not only makes the bread more attractive, but also shows the professionalism and dedication of the manufacturer. Looking at the automatic samosa making machine in operation, you can immediately feel the modernity and convenience of technology in producing one of these traditional dishes. At the same time, they still retain their traditional taste and feel. The candies are gently rolled on the chain. You can feel the softness and smoothness of each product. This automated process not only produces large output, but also keeps the quality of each confection guaranteed. This is the result of the perfect combination of advanced technology and strict control in production. With a sophisticated combination of advanced technology and innovative design, this machine delivers high performance and outstanding packaging quality. What is amazing is the speed and precision of the machine. From cutting and packaging to printing and labeling, it is done quickly and accurately. The versatility of this machine allows you to create a unique experience.